Here's Mindsnap app daily micro learning, bite-sized knowledge and quizzes. So quite interesting app. Learn something new in just 5 minutes. So it's a nice app to go and learn something on your commute, on your way to work, and add some quizzes, personalized plan and experience, verified facts. So just the app. You can just open it up and you can get started. What do you want to learn? And then you can just select all of these and then just add notifications and then basically create something like this. And then you can start to create an account. You can easily just create it with Apple ID in here. Then they offer 12 months for $40. You can start with the free payment. Then there is 70% off. And there is like for you. Then there's history. Then you can explore. And the idea is that you just go to some like small bite-sized knowledge, for example, about Roman Empire, and then you can just learn some quick facts about it. Then you have a library, then you have quizzes, which you can generate, and then you have your account. So, kind of, some people like it. Some people don't like to read like articles, which you need 30 minutes to read, or some long blog posts. Some people just like very short, like kind of bite-sized text, 5 minutes maximum. And you can use it. However, some people say that these apps are quite scammy and some that are not that good. So, you just decide whether you want it, but try it out.